Hello again. Continuing with step 0 from our lesson, the English alphabet pronunciation. Let's move, please, to the second question. Compare the two phonetic charts and find the 46th sound missing from the upper intermediate level chart. Write your answer in the comments, please. Let's do it together. In the advanced level chart, we can find 46 sounds existing in the English language, divided into 24 consonant sounds and 22 vowel sounds. Whereas in the upper intermediate level chart, we only have 45 sounds divided into 21 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. The question is, find the 46th missing sound. When we compare the two charts, we notice that the number of sounds, 24, reflecting the consonant sounds, is the same. Compared to the vowel sounds, which is 22 vowel sounds in the advanced level chart, that differs from the upper intermediate level chart, where we can find only 21 vowel sounds. So the missing sound is a vowel sound. Let's find it together. The missing sound is this one. It is pronounced oo, oo, as in the word put, put. I'd like you to write the answer in the comments, please. Thank you for watching.